Hello friends, how are you today? Hope you are doing well, right? Okay, so before starting the video, I want to request you to subscribe to the channel so you can never miss an update. I'll bring you more and more good videos in upcoming days. Also, I'm going to start a new series. You will see in a couple of days. Okay, thanks. So, the video title is Give time to your special people, loved ones, and near ones. It is the best gift you can give them. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, in this time of technology, you can see the distance became short, but there is a huge gap in our near circle. We have so many hours to chat on WhatsApp. We have time to do funny things in TikTok or whatever and play games like PUBG. If we have time to do these kind of silly things, so why we can't spend with time our loved ones and dear ones? As you see, today is weekend. Go for outing, go for dinner, go for a movie, or whatever you can. But the main point is give time to your near ones people. Feel them special, feel them lucky, feel them comfortable, and let them love you. Okay? So, have a happy weekend ahead. Bye bye.